Welcome to Pentagon 2000's presentation of repair and outside service orders. Our example will demonstrate a repair or outside service order being created from the purchase order button. Orders may also originate from a sales order, vendor RFQ, or parts material requisition from the warehouse, component work orders, or maintenance work orders. Left-click the Add button. Select the vendor who will be performing the repair. Change the PO type to Repair/Outside Service Order. Complete the applicable fields on the Header tab. Left-click the OK button. The Lines tab will appear. Identify the line number. Identify the line type 04, which indicates that the item will be repaired and that the quantity and cost will be received into the warehouse. You may identify the line type 38 if you would like the item quantity to be received into the warehouse, but the cost to be identified as an expense. Identify the part number of the item being repaired. Identify the repair cost. Left-click the OK button to save the document. You may print the repair order from the Print button. Next, we must ship the item to the vendor for repair or outside service. Left-click the Add button. Select the repair or outside service order that will be shipped to the vendor. Identify the particular line or lines that will be shipped. Go to the Lines tab. Left-click the Edit button to enter edit mode. Double-click the line to choose the particular part that will be shipped from the warehouse. If you would like to add parts to the shipper to send to the vendor for use in the repair, you may add them from the Option button. You may select Option 7 to identify any part from the inventory to send along with the repair part. The cost of the replacement parts will be added to the warehouse cost of the repaired item. Identify the line number, part number, and quantity. If added, the part will be added as a line type 03. This item will be shipped to the vendor, but the system will not expect that it will be received at a later date. Left-click the OK button to save the changes. Close the shipper. You may print pick tickets, packing slips, and shipping labels from the Print button. Once the part has been repaired and shipped back to you, you may receive it back into your warehouse. Left-click the Add button. Select the purchase order that is being received. Double-click the line being received. Ensure the receiver information is correct. Left-click the Serials button and ensure the serial number received is correct. Left-click the OK button to save the receiver line information. Left-click the OK button to create the receiver. Go to the Lines tab to ensure all line information is correct. Close the receiver.